Welcome to Get the Marvel. In this video we will see what is Homebrew. I also made a video about how to install and uninstall Homebrew. Please check link in description. Okay, now let's start. Homebrew is an essential tool for anyone diving into the world of macOS or Linux development, but it can be a bit of a mystery to new users. Think of Homebrew as your system's personal app store, but with a focus on the tools and utilities that power developers, tech enthusiasts, and even regular users who want to unlock their system's full potential. At its core, Homebrew is a package manager. A package manager is like a handy librarian for your computer, making sure you can easily find, install, and update software, especially those nifty command line tools that don't come pre-installed on your system. Instead of manually hunting down software, downloading it, and then figuring out how to install it, Homebrew does all that heavy lifting for you with just a single command. Here's how it works. Installation. First, you install Homebrew itself with a simple line of code. After that, Homebrew lives in your terminal, ready to take commands. It's lightweight and doesn't clutter your system, which is great because it won't get in your way. Finding and installing packages. Want to install a tool like Git, wget, or even a programming language like Python. With Homebrew, you just type brew install followed by the name of the software. Homebrew then fetches the latest version, handles any dependencies, those are other tools or libraries the software might need to work, and sets it all up for you. It's like magic, but better because it's open source. Keeping everything up to date, Homebrew makes it super easy to keep your software up to date. By typing brew update to refresh the list of available software and brew upgrade to install the latest versions, you're always working with the freshest tools. No more worrying about outdated software or compatibility issues. Cleaning up. Over time, your system can get cluttered with old versions of software. Homebrew has your back here too. With the command brew cleanup, it can sweep away old, unnecessary files, freeing up space and keeping your system tidy. Community-powered. One of the coolest things about Homebrew is that it's community-driven. Thousands of contributors from around the world help maintain and update the vast library of available software, called formulae. This means you're not only getting access to a wide range of tools, but you're also benefiting from the collective knowledge and efforts of the tech community. Cask for applications. Homebrew isn't just for command line tools. With Homebrew Cask, you can easily install and manage macOS applications like Google Chrome, VLC, or even Docker. Just like with command line tools, it simplifies the process, so you don't need to manually download and install these apps. So why should new users care about Homebrew? If you're looking to explore coding, manage your system's software more efficiently, or just geek out with some cool tools, Homebrew is your gateway. It takes the complexity out of managing software on your system and lets you focus on what you actually want to do. Plus, it's a fantastic way to start getting comfortable with the terminal, which can open up a whole new world of possibilities for you as a user.